Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these purple resin coasters, so let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using Luscious Plum epoxy paste, Angel White epoxy paste, and those are both by Res. This beautiful silver metallic pigment by Just For You Online UK, purple Rebel Flakes, and white ignition dust, both from Just For You Online UK as well. The resin I'm going to be using is the Clearcast 7000 resin from the Epoxy Resin store. I will link their site down below and use my discount code NAPTIME20 if you guys want to save 20% and try out some of their resin. I went ahead and mixed up my resin and my pigments off camera just to save time. I have quite a few tutorials showing you exactly how to do that, so if you're new to resin art, be sure to check those out. I will link them down below and put an iCard right here. Just click that and it'll take you straight to the video. So I just went in with a little bit of clear in my mold, as you could see, and I'm sprinkling those pretty purple Rebel Flakes on. This is my white ignition dust. It looks like clear, but it's just got a really nice sparkle to it. I went around the Rebel Flakes with that, and now I'm going to go in with that pretty Luscious Plum pigment. It's a really nice deep purple and it's opaque, so if you guys are looking for a deep purple, definitely try this pigment out. It's a really gorgeous pigment. You can get it from Laura's Art Corner on Facebook. I'll link her site down below too. And then I just went in with that beautiful silver metallic pigment, and I'm going to go in with some clear on top of that just to kind of move that purple around so it didn't quite take over as much. So you can see when you pour that clear down, it just pushes all the color off to the side. It gives you some nice effects. Now I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of the Angel White here, just a little around the edge, and take my little spoon and just go right on the surface of the resin, not going down to the bottom of my mold, and giving it a little swirl, just like that. And then I'm going to go in with my heat gun on high heat and pop any bubbles. And then I'll take my upside down storage tote and let them dry, and we'll be ready to demold them. And be sure to check out Dryer Days Art Studio for all your silicone molds. She's having a sale right now on some of her stuff, so go check out her site. I will link it down below in the description. So here we are, it's 24 hours later. Let's pop them out of the molds and see how they turned out. Like I said, these molds, you can get this shape and a lot of different shapes at Catherine's website from Dryer Days Art Studio. Be sure to check her out, and I have a discount code for you guys too. Discount code NAPTIME. So I'm going to get these popped out of the molds, and then I'm going to get some better lighting and bring you guys in for a close-up. My art room is down in the basement, so it's kind of dark down there, but I will show you guys what they look like in better lighting in just a second. So this is what I guess you would call the back side, and I think I like this side more. I feel like it looks like a beautiful flower. And the Rebel Flakes are so pretty. They're almost like color shifting. They're just really reflective and pretty, and that ignition dust is what gives you that nice sparkle. But see, this side's just really soft and pretty, and then the front side, I guess, is what you would call, on the bottom of the molds. That side turned out really fun too. That's this side. It's got some fun cells in there from the Angel White. So I don't know, the front and the back, they're totally different. So which one do you guys like better? Let me know down in the comments. If I do decide to use the back side as the top, I'm going to have to go in with a clear coat and just do a clear coat on that side. But check it out. See how pretty that ignition dust is? It's just so sparkly. It's like an extra fine glitter. So we'll call this side A, and then the other side B. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, which side you like better. Yep, so this is side B here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, go ahead and leave me a like, or another thing that would help me out is if you go watch a few more of my other videos or even a playlist. I have a resin coaster playlist. I will link it down below and put an iCard right here. Just click that and it'll take you straight to my playlist. Thanks again, guys. I hope you guys are all doing good and you're having a great day, and I will see you guys on Friday for another video. Bye!